Hello, in this video, we will learn how to change the YouTube font size and change the color of captions. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the YouTube application. Then click on your account profile picture. Next, go to the Settings menu. Scroll down and you will find the Captions option. Click on it. This page will appear for you. Enable the preferred captions option. Now, go to the caption size and style. From here, you can change the font size. As you can see, the text has become larger. You can also change the style or color from here. Now, let's go back. To display the captions in your preferred language, select the language. The caption preferences, including the size and color, have been successfully enabled and will be displayed in all videos that have captions. Finally, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.